if you want to become a cloud engineer in 2026 or you already in a tech and planning to switch, then this video is for you, because let's be honest, there is too much information online. Some people say learn AWS, some say go for Kubernetes, some push you towards DevOps, and now AI is also everywhere. So the real question is, what is the correct roadmap? आज मैं आपको एक सिंपल प्रैक्टिकल रोड मैप दूंगा जो एक्चुअली इंडस्ट्री में काम करता है. फर्स्ट, अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्लियरली. बिकमिंग अ क्लाउड इंजीनियर इज नॉट अबाउट मेमोराइजिंग द क्लाउड सर्विसेज, इट्स अबाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द सिस्टम. अगर आपको सिस्टम समझ आ गए, क्लाउड ऑटोमेटिकली ईजी लगने लगेगा. लेट्स स्टार्ट विद स्टेप 1, फाउंडेशन. दिस इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट एंड मोस्ट लोग इसको इग्नोर कर देते हैं. फर्स्ट, लिनक्स. यू शुड be comfortable with Linux, not just basic commands, but you know how actually things works. File systems, permission, processes, real world में काफ़ी Linux पे काम होता है. So this is a non-negotiable. Second is networking. This is where many beginners struggle. You need to understand the IP, DNS, HTTP, HTTPS, ports, firewall. Simple line याद रखो, cloud is just somewhere else computer connected through a network. Third is basic programming. You don't need to become a developer, but scripting is important. Python or Bash is more than enough. Automation के बिना cloud engineering incomplete है. Now step number 2, cloud platform. This is where your actual cloud journey begins. Pick one cloud as AWS, Azure, GCP. My suggestion, start with AWS or GCP, but don't try to learn everything together. एक particular cloud पे focus करो, depth build करो. One important thing, start with core services, compute, virtual machines, storage, object storages like S3, networking, VPC, IAM, access control. But don't just watch tutorials, hands-on करो, build something real. For example, build a simple web application, host it on cloud, secure it, scale it. एक प्रोजेक्ट आपको इतना सिखा देगा जितना आपको मल्टीपल कोर्सेज भी नहीं सिखा पाते. Step number 3, DevOps basics. Now a common question is, do I really need DevOps? Short answer is yes. You should understand the CI/CD, how code moves from development to production, basic tools like Git, GitHub Actions, Jenkins. You don't need to master it. Clarity जरूर होनी चाहिए कि कौन सी चीज़ क्या करती है. Step number 4, containers and Kubernetes. In 2026, this is the almost a must-have skill. Start with Docker, understand containers, images, then move to Kubernetes, pods, deployments, services. Initially थोड़ा complex लगेगा, but once it clicks, things become much easier. Step number 5, infrastructure as a code. Manual work is not scalable. Automation is goal for you to learn. Learn Terraform or similar tools. Your mindset should be that infrastructure should be created using code, not clicks. Monitoring and debugging. This is highly underrated but extremely important. In real world systems, failure happens, log, metrics, alert. You should know how to read and understand them. Tools like Prometheus, Grafana or cloud native monitoring tools help here. Step number 7, choose your direction. At this point, you should decide where you want to go deeper. SRE, focus on reliability, performance, platform engineering, improving developers' experience, cloud security and compliances, or architecture, designing large scale system. अब एक important बात, don't get overwhelmed by this roadmap. ये सब एक साथ नहीं आएगा. Focus on consistency, थोड़ा डेली करो, build projects, make mistakes, learn from them. Also, don't make this mistake, don't chase certificates blindly. Certificates are really good, but without skills, they don't have much values to offer. Now let's talk about AI as well. In 2026, you cannot ignore it. Use AI as a tool for writing a script, debugging, learning faster, but don't become dependent on it. कॉन्सेप्ट क्लैरिटी आपको खुद बिल्ड करनी होगी. ऑनेस्टली व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड, मेरे पास भी क्लियर रोड मैप नहीं था. आई वॉज लर्निंग रैंडम थिंग्स. व्हाट एक्चुअली हेल्प मी वॉज बिल्डिंग रियल प्रोजेक्ट, solving real problems. That's when I realized cloud is not about services, it's about solving problems at scale. So if you are really want to become a cloud engineer in 2026, focus on 3 things. strong fundamentals, hands-on projects, and clear direction. और सबसे important, patience. This is not a shortcut field, but once you get it, the opportunities are huge. Like this video, subscribe for more content on cloud, DevOps, and tech. See you in the next video. Till then, keep building. Take care.